Lesson: Business Architecture Perspective. Business architecture is a critical facet of business analysis, serving as a bridge between an organization's strategic aspirations and its operational execution. As part of the Certified Business Analysis Professional course, a deep understanding of the business architecture perspective is essential for professionals aiming to translate strategy into actionable plans and to ensure alignment across various business functions. This lesson explores the actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can implement to enhance their proficiency in business architecture. Business architecture provides a formalized structure for business processes, capabilities, and organizational structures. At its core, it aims to ensure that a company's operations are aligned with its strategic goals, which is crucial in a competitive business environment. Key frameworks such as the Business Model Canvas and the Zachman Framework for Enterprise Architecture facilitate this alignment. The Business Model Canvas, for instance, allows organizations to visualize their business models through 9 building blocks, encompassing elements such as value propositions, customer segments, and revenue streams. By using this tool, business analysts can identify gaps, redundancies, and opportunities for innovation. One practical application of the Business Model Canvas is seen in the case of multinational corporations seeking to enter new markets. By mapping out their current business model and comparing it with the competitive landscape of the target market, these corporations can identify necessary adaptations in their value proposition and customer engagement strategies to succeed. This approach not only ensures strategic alignment, but also drives operational efficiency by aligning resources and capabilities to the new market demands. Another pivotal framework in business architecture is the Zachman Framework, which provides a structured approach for defining and organizing an enterprise's architecture. It divides architecture into 6 aspects: data, function, network, people, time, and motivation. By addressing each aspect, organizations can ensure a comprehensive approach to architectural planning that encompasses all dimensions of enterprise operations. The Zachman Framework is particularly beneficial in complex organizations with multiple business units and diverse stakeholder groups. It ensures that all components of the business architecture are considered, mitigating the risk of siloed operations and enhancing organizational coherence. The application of the Zachman Framework can be illustrated through its use in large-scale IT transformation projects. For example, a global bank undergoing digital transformation might employ the framework to ensure that its data management strategies, functional processes, and human resources are all aligned with the overarching goal of enhancing customer experience through digital channels. By systematically addressing each aspect of the framework, the bank can avoid common pitfalls such as data silos and misaligned technology investments, thereby facilitating a smooth transition to a digital-first operation. In addition to frameworks, business analysts must employ practical tools that translate architectural insights into actionable plans. One such tool is capability mapping, which involves identifying and charting an organization's key capabilities and assessing their maturity and alignment with strategic objectives. Capability maps provide a visual representation of an organization's strengths and weaknesses, enabling targeted investments in capability development. For instance, a company in the manufacturing sector may use capability mapping to identify critical capabilities in supply chain management and invest in technology solutions that enhance these capabilities, thereby improving efficiency and reducing costs. Capability mapping also plays a crucial role in merger and acquisition scenarios. During the due diligence process, acquiring companies can use capability maps to assess the capabilities of the target company and identify synergies and gaps. This analysis can inform integration strategies and ensure that the combined entity builds on complementary strengths while addressing capability deficiencies. Furthermore, business architecture is integral to strategic planning, as it provides a structured approach to translating strategic objectives into operational plans. The Balanced Scorecard is a widely used strategic planning tool that links performance metrics to an organization's vision and strategy. By using the balanced scorecard, business analysts can ensure that strategic goals are translated into specific, measurable objectives across financial, customer, and internal process and learning and growth perspectives. This alignment is critical for maintaining focus and ensuring that all organizational activities contribute to achieving strategic goals. A practical example of the balanced scorecard in action can be seen in a healthcare organization aiming to improve patient satisfaction. By establishing specific objectives and metrics for each perspective of the balanced scorecard, the organization can ensure that improvements in patient experience are supported by financial investment, internal process optimization, and workforce development. This comprehensive approach ensures that strategic ambitions are systematically pursued and that progress is continuously monitored and adjusted as necessary. Business architecture also involves addressing real-world challenges such as change management and stakeholder alignment. Business analysts must possess strong communication and facilitation skills to engage stakeholders and drive consensus. Techniques such as stakeholder mapping and analysis are invaluable in this regard, as they help identify key stakeholders, understand their interests and influence, and develop strategies for engagement and communication. By proactively managing stakeholder relationships, business analysts can mitigate resistance to change and ensure alignment with organizational goals. In summary, the business architecture perspective is a vital component of the Certified Business Analysis Professional course, providing professionals with the tools and frameworks needed to align organizational operations with strategic objectives. By leveraging frameworks such as the Business Model Canvas and the Zachman Framework, and employing practical tools like capability mapping and the balanced scorecard, business analysts can address real-world challenges and drive organizational success. These tools and frameworks not only facilitate strategic alignment, but also enhance operational efficiency, stakeholder engagement, and change management. Through the application of these insights, business analysts can play a pivotal role in guiding organizations toward their strategic aspirations and ensuring sustainable competitive advantage.